Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing power and getting your Torx bits and plastic trim tools ready. This avoids accidental shorting and denting. Once done, lower the window so the panel edge clears the glass track and exposes clips. You then pop the rear top seam with a plastic pry tool. Use steady pressure and tilt outward to let the clips pop free instead of tearing the panel. Keep a soft cloth over adjacent paint to prevent scratches while you work along the seam. You now remove the exposed Torx fasteners at the armrest and behind the handle, because these anchor the panel to the frame and must come out before lifting. Make sure to support the panel with one hand as you loosen the last screws. Once loose, tilt the top outward and lift to clear the top edge. Then gently separate electrical connectors, press tabs and wiggle straight out so you don't tear wires. Keep track of each screw location for reassembly and set clips aside in order. You finish by aligning the panel top edge into the glass channel, then press down firmly to snap the lower clips back into place. This ensures an even fit and avoids rattles. Once the panel is seated, reconnect power and test window, locks, and speakers so you can fix any connector issues immediately. If the panel won't sit flush, make sure you found every screw and clip. Missed fasteners and misaligned clips are the usual culprits, so recheck those spots carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.